Hello everyone. I seen a video from NorthridgeFix and he was working on one of these Zebra ZT410s. This is my Zebra ZT410. He needed pictures of these two components here, or the values of them, which is L1 and U9 right there. Let me reset this up to see if I can get a clear picture of the numbers. I have to shine a little extra light on it, but I can't do it with my shaky hands, so be right back. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out, but that looks like it's TE6 The Z8. The inductor. Not going to take the board out, but I'll try to get the ESR meter on there and get the value of L1. That's either a TE5 or a TE6. But I'm not taking the board out, like I said. Too much pain in the rear. But I hope this will help him. And I'll post in the comments what the value of L1 is when I hook up the ESR meter. Catch y'all later.